5 apps, 0 laptop. In 2026, your phone can out-edit a $2,000 setup. If you know which apps actually deliver, let's rank them. No fluff. No sponsor pretending to be a top pick. Just 5 real apps, ranked by who each one is actually built for. 1. CapCut, best for short form. Number 1. CapCut. Built for vertical video, TikTok, Reels, Shorts, AI captions, background removal, trending templates, fast export. If short form is your game, start here. But it's worth knowing more features have moved behind the pro paywall, and prices went up. The free version still gets the job done. Just don't expect everything for free anymore. 2. VN Video Editor, best free pick. VN gives you CapCut level power with 0 paywalls. No watermark, full multi-track timeline, totally free. If you're starting out and don't want to spend $1 yet, this is your workhorse app. 3. InShot, best for first-timers. InShot is the simplest interface here. Drag, drop, done. If the other two feel overwhelming, this is your starting point. It trades depth for ease. 4. LumaFusion, best for serious creators. Ready for real control? LumaFusion is a pro studio in your pocket, multi-track editing, keyframing, color grading, chroma key. It costs upfront, but the exports are clean enough to hand straight into a desktop workflow. 5. 1 to watch Adobe Premiere Mobile. Bonus pick: Adobe brought Premiere to mobile. Free on iPhone. For 1000 export. No watermark, AI speech enhancement. Android still catching up, and early reviews are mixed. But it's free and improving fast. Worth watching. Short form, CapCut or VN. Total beginner, InShot. Serious long form work, LumaFusion. Pick one, make 10 videos in it, and stop app hopping. Consistency beats the perfect tool every time. If this saved you from downloading 5 apps and giving up on all of them, subscribe. New tool breakdowns every week. Comment which one you're trying first.